G'day guys, Neil here from the Gordon Culinary School. In Geelong, we're so lucky to have such access to amazing produce, and given the price of meat at the moment, it's good to learn how to use every cut of the animal. So you can see some protein, some dishes here we've come up with. Here down at the Gordon, we've got some osso bucco, so a really slow braise, tough cut of meat, but by slow braising it, slow cooking it, it really softens the meat, it melts in your mouth. We've got some chicken leg here in the Chicken Maryland that we've boned out, made a little farce, made a little stuffing, sous vide that and then grilled that and finished it in the oven. We've got a little bit of kangaroo loin, so a little bit of grilling. So we sort of go through the different cuts of meat, protein, meat, seafood, and learn how to cook them specifically to wherever the cut of meat has come from the animal. So these are some of the skills, guys, you'll learn in the course as your journey into being a qualified chef in the industry. So I've been in the industry for over 20 years now, and I'm lucky to be in a position of a cookery trainer at the Gordon TAFE, and being able to pass on my skills and knowledge and help others into the industry is very rewarding. Turn your passion into a career and study commercial cookery at the Gordon.